Hello viewers, welcome to Swhizz Technologies. In this video, I would like to tell how the deployment will be takes place using different DevOps tools. Here basically, I am going to deploy a Java code. What is going to happen here is developers will be developing the code, okay, in Java language. Let us assume this is the area where the developers will be developing their code. Okay, they after developing their code, what they are going to do, they are going to push the code into GitHub. Okay, and automatically Jenkins will be pulling the code whatever the developers developed, and build will be takes place here. Okay, after building the code, we are going to get the var files. As it is a Java project, we are going to get var files. Var means web archive, and the var files we are going to deploy in Tomcat server. Here we can see the output. Okay, if any modifications are there in the code, what we are going to do? We are going to give the feedback to the developers so that accordingly they are going to change the code. Again, deployment will be takes place. This entire flow we are going to see today. Let me open my server, and here it is my Jenkins server. I have configured everything here inside this Jenkins server, and here it is a deployment here. Okay, so today let's see here. This is my Java code which I'm having here. Okay, I have already deployed in Tomcat server. Today, using all the DevOps tools, we are going to see how the deployment will be taking place automatically. Here, this is my Java code here. What I'll do is let me do little modifications in the code and let us see how the deployment will be taking place here. Okay, so this is my Jenkins server, and here it's my Java project. Here I have configured everything here. Let me show you the configurations here. This is all the configurations. This is my GitHub repository link, and here it is my GitHub URL. This is my GitHub repository where I am having Java code. Here I have configured everything here. So what I'll do is, let me do, see, I have configured everything here. Let me apply and save the changes. What I'm going to do is, let me do little modifications to this code and let us see how the deployment will take place automatically if you build a job. Okay, so let me do small modifications in this code. My code is there in web app folder. This is my GitHub repository here. In web app, the code path is under src main web app index.jcp file. This is my code here. And what I'm doing is, let me edit this file little. So here I'll keep instead comma, I'm going to keep exclamatory symbols. And let's see whether we are going to get the same in the final output or not. I have done little modification. Even though if we do minor changes in the code, that will get deployed into the Tomcat server. Okay, so let me commit these changes. So here, let me try to build the code. Build is programming here. Build is scheduling. If you want to see the console output, what it is going to happen backend. So this is what our console output. So what it is doing is, it is trying to pulling the repository from GitHub, and then it is trying to build using Maven, and it is trying to create var file, and then here it is trying to deploy into Tomcat container. See here, this is the place where we are going to get the var file. This is the place where we are going to get the deployments. Okay, I am deploying into Tomcat 8 server. I have configured that Tomcat also. So let me see whether we are going to get the things or not. Let me refresh this page so that here I can see the modified code. Let me refresh this page. See, this is where the place, this is where we have done the modifications. This is the way how we are going to automate the task using different DevOps tools. This is a simple Java project here. I know that all these terms are very new and technical to you. If you come and join in this technology, we will make you to understand from basics onwards. And if you don't know anything also, we will teach you from basics. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.